Today we are going to talk about modals. Special helping verbs that help us express possibility, necessity, permission, or ability. So first of all, we'll get to know what are modals. So yes, modals are helping verbs that show the mood of the main verb. They do not change according to the subject. For example, I can swim. She should study. So now some common modals and the uses are: first is can. Can is used for ability and permission. For example, she can dance well. Can I go there? Could is used for past ability or polite request. Could you help me? May is used for permission slash possibility. You may leave now. Might is used for small possibility, like it might rain today. It might be test. Should is used for advice slash duty. You should eat healthy food. Must is used for necessity, strong advice. You must wear a helmet while driving. Will is used for future certainty. I will call you tomorrow. I will complete my homework by tomorrow. Would is used for politeness, definite hypothetical. I would know if I had time. Okay, so these are some common modals, the uses with the examples. So next we have the words can, must, and may. Can, must, and may are common auxiliary verbs used to express a speaker's attitudes and opinions that include permission, possibility or impossibility, necessity or lack of, ability or inability, desire, obligation or lack of. So can, must, and may are used for these kinds of words. They are known as common auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. They are always paired with another verb. Now, when do we use can? Can is used for ability or inability. I can speak different languages. Permission. Can I borrow a dictionary? Possibility. Anyone can become multilingual. Now, when do we use may? May is used for possibility, permission, and possibility. She may at home मतलब वो शायद घर पे होगी. May I take a break? क्या मैं break ले लूँ? May I have some coffee? So must is used for prohibition. You must not drive fast. Possibility. They must be at home. The car is parked at a garage. Obligation. You must get a driver's license before I buy you a car. So now I want you all to practice these questions, and I'll give you 10 seconds to solve this, and I'll show you the answer, and you have to cross check your answers. So I hope the use of can, may, and must are few common modals. With their uses, modals are very simple. You just have to get to know common modals, when to use them, and that's all. So I'm giving you 10 seconds to solve this exercise. So time starts now. So I hope you have learned. Here are the answers. Adam can't play the piano today. Can't here is used as an ability. He must be sick. Must is used as a possibility. You must take care of medicine. Must take your medicine as an obligation. Can I watch TV to relax? This turns out to be a permission. Could you buy me some milk at the store? Request. Okay. Here you go with your next question. Okay. So yes, the device may not be used underwater. This reminder sounds less strict than when must was used. Hoover's cat can be hiding under the table. It seems more certain that a cat is on the table. She must cook favorable meals. Good cooking becomes a requirement for the host. So this is enough for today. I hope modals give your sentences the right tone and meaning. Use them correctly and your English will sound much more fluent and confident. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more English learning videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.